Finally guys, natapos ko na ang aking mission for today. Walang tulugan muna guys hanggat hindi matapos at ready na for pick up tomorrow. Thank you guys for loving my sticky rice suman, 4.5 dozen. But it took me over a day to make this. But it's worth it naman. Worth it naman. At least mapasaya ko sila at ma-feel at home dahil kumakain sila ng kakaning bahay. Atin. Right guys, I am so proud of myself. Natapos ko silang lahat. Matulog na ako. Bye.